My people, I greet you. My people, I greet you. My people, I greet you. Today we'll be talking about Arobunagu and Agwu-Arobunagu. What is Arobunagu? Arobunagu is masculine. It's a power of a man. It's a spirit like a god, power of a man. While Agwu-Arobunagu is the wife. You know, men, male, children that are male ancestors are Arobunagu people. While the female ancestors, all females are Agu people or Agwu-Arobunagu. Arobunagu is masculine, while Agwu-Arobunagu is the feminine, the wife. A man does not leave Arobunagu and go and face Agwu-Arobunagu. And a woman does not leave her Agwu-Arobunagu and go face Arobunagu. You know? So men, Obu, where men stay is Arobunagu, where women stay is Agwu-Arobunagu. Okay? One love. It's me, Brother Peter Odera, reporting for Los Angeles, California, USA. One love.